the best-selling meal replacement diet food in Japan. #1 selling diet foods for the last 10 years. 30 years from release. Sold in 41 countries around the world. More than 3.6 million users in Japan. Phenomenal sales record as 200 million meals were sold. That is MICRODIET. Why is MICRODIET immensely supported? Reason is a great nutritional value and never-tiring flavor. MICRODIET is #1 in terms of nutrition. Nutrition experts, 100 nutritionists and dietitians have ranked MICRODIET first in 7 categories, including diet foods with best nutritional balance and diet foods they want to try. Contains 50 ideally balanced nutrients that are difficult to take in with a regular diet. By satisfying necessary protein amount for one meal based on dietary intake reference, it prevents deficiency in protein, a basic component of the body such as muscles, skin, and nails, even during dieting. While containing many nutrients, it is only 174 kilocalories per meal. MICRODIET is a complete nutritional food that satisfies necessary nutrients per pack during dieting. MICRODIET is adopted by more than 1,000 professional institutions in Japan. 20+ papers have been published about its effects, showing its high quality. MICRODIET is also the best in terms of the taste. 100 food analysts chose MICRODIET as the most delicious diet food. MICRODIET is made with special ingredients. We continue pursuing deliciousness through constant trials and numerous improvements. By choosing from 14 options of surprising flavors, you can continue your diet with deliciousness and fun. MICRODIET is a brand which has a history and track record of hosting Diet Grand Prix every year to select finalists from thousands of entries. Let us introduce 3 finalists of the MICRODIET Grand Prix whose lives have been totally changed by MICRODIET and found their happiness. Sachiko Shinjaku succeeded by losing 49.1 pounds. She has a healthy life and is still keeping her weight. Takushi Furukawa succeeded by losing 114.6 pounds. He achieved this massive weight loss within only 9 months. Chie Ehara succeeded by losing 187.3 pounds. She is currently appearing on TV show as a bimajo. With 30 years of proven track record, we are confident to recommend you MICRODIET. You're the next. Build your ideal self by dieting. The #1 reliable MICRODIET with strong track record will support you. For all the women who want to stay beautiful, healthy, and shine every day,